Welcome to day 19 and 20 of renovating this old house. As you can see, the front end has been demolished. Let me show you the progress so far. So the big difference is in the back right here. We took out all the old windows simply because our dumpster is leaving tomorrow morning and I wanted to at least fill it up halfway before I send it out. Check it out. All this wood is rotted and will need to be replaced, as you can see right here. Even if you're like looking at this, you will see that there's a slope down here and probably all the water settled, causing all this stuff to have water damage. But all of this will be replaced. These posts will be replaced by the big 6x6. Let's go inside right here. Show you this room. No progress. This is finally dry. Tomorrow it will be sanded and the final layer will be applied. One window is in, another window is in. We're making progress. In this other room, nothing was done. So check it out. We do have the plywall on the window, even though we have new windows installed, simply because this is where we keep our tools and you don't want anyone getting in, taking your tools. All right. Right here, added a metal electrical box right there. Also in the living room, the cable for the thermostat has been added. The gas line has been ran all the way into the attic. The ladder is not here, so I can't show you the progress, but the system has already been put up there. The brand new furnace and all of that stuff. Also in the kitchen, we added the first layer of plywood. As you can see, we got the hot and cold and the plumbing sticking out. Also the 220 for the stove. Obviously it is not screwed in, we're just cutting it to fit. But once the cabinets are in, we are going to add another layer so it can be even. Right now it is a 1/4 inch lower than this one, simply because the old wood floor, just like we see right here, is still underneath right here. So once the cabinets are in, we are going to add another strip right here, just so everything can be leveled. Bathroom, no updates right here. We are waiting for the delivery of all the materials for the bathroom. That way the guy that did the plumbing will start on the bathroom. He's charging me $3,000 to pretty much redo this entire bathroom. He will be reframing all of the walls, all of the bottom supports as well. As you can see, we got like 20 something 2x4s in here. We got more wood in the other room. So hopefully in the next 2 days, once Lowe's delivers the shower tub, the drywall, the backer board, pretty much everything that is needed to complete this bathroom will be ordered and it will be delivered. Once that is done and the delivery is here, the bathroom work will begin. Also, personally, I'm still waiting on a couple of things to finish this foundation. I'm waiting for the guys that are doing the HVAC to run the electricity. So they will have access to that area. Once the electricity is ran to the furnace upstairs and the unit outside, then I will be able to finish all the foundation work and put the plywood on here. So that will be done as well. Slowly but surely, we are making progress. Before we get to the numbers, if you're a real estate investor and you want to make more money with your rental properties, one of the best ways to do it is by lowering your mortgage payment. The way you lower your mortgage payment is by lowering your insurance cost. So I highly suggest you check out the link in the description box below. Check out Steadily Insurance. They specialize in providing coverage to landlords. And if you are a homeowner and you want to save some money too, check out the link in the description box below as well. And now let's take a look at the numbers for day 19 and 20. On day 19, I ended up purchasing 2 more windows, one for the living room. The newer window, I'm going to replace it. That way all the windows in the entire house will be new. Also, I found a kitchen window as well. Those are the only two windows that are left to be replaced, and I ended up spending $251.44 on both of those windows. The guy that was installing my windows got the cold as well, so he'll probably be out for a couple of days before he'll be able to install those windows. And on day 20, I ended up purchasing a saw for $57.74. The battery powered one simply gave out, so I had to purchase a new one. So as you can see, on day 19 and 20, we did not spend a ton of money, but we did do a lot of work removing all the older windows and all of that stuff. So now our total expenses so far are $19,311.51. In the next day or two, I will be ordering everything that is needed for the bathroom. So best believe the expenses are going to be even higher in the upcoming videos. I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.